What's up, guys? Good morning. Hopefully everyone out there is having a great, fantastic weekend so far. Today, the NFL starts. For those of you guys that are football fans, it's going to be a great day. Week 1 is finally starting. But as you guys read in the title of today's video, I just want to do a quick little channel announcement for you all and tell you guys that I'm going to Costa Rica from September 10th to September 17th. Pretty much from tomorrow morning all the way till next Monday, I'm going to be out of the country. So what you can expect from my content is that I have 2 pre-uploaded videos scheduled for you guys next week. One is on Wednesday. I'm not sure when the other one is going to be. And in terms of my content for next week, guys, I'm going to be focusing on vlogging this trip. I'm going to be vlogging this Costa Rica trip and uploading it to this channel, probably in 2 different parts. I got the GoPro Hero 5. I'm going to be doing a bunch of action vlogging. We're ziplining. We're ATVing, we're going to be doing kayaking, possibly swimming, hot water springs, all these cool different things. And I'm going with my girlfriend, by the way. And, we're going to be, sharing our experience on this channel. So hopefully you guys are interested in me switching it up a little bit, doing a vlog. I haven't really done a vlog at all on this particular channel. And, I haven't been on a vacation in a year, guys. If you want to check out my previous vacation vlog, I went to the Bahamas about 1 year ago in September last year in 2017, and I have a different channel with that vlog on there, and I'll have a card up here if you guys want to check that video out. It was pretty cool. I recorded it on my iPhone 6 Plus, so I'm going to be vlogging this one on the iPhone 8 Plus. I upgraded my phone, and I'm going to be doing the action shots on the GoPro Hero 5. So pretty much what I want to update you guys with is that I'm not going to be as active in the Instagram DMs and in the Discord DMs due to me not really knowing when I'm going to have Wi-Fi. And the time difference there, it's about 2 hours. I think it's about 2 hours behind from where I live here in New Jersey. So market opens at 9:30 here. So I'm thinking the market's going to be opening there at about 7:30. So, I'm going to be trying to trade there as well. But, the Wi-Fi situation is probably going to prohibit me from, trading, all day, right? And I'm not trying to trade all day. I'm trying to, enjoy my vacation. But, it's going to prohibit me, talking to you guys through the DMs, through the Discord chat, through the Facebook group. So, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that, the DMs and the messages that you're sending me in these different chats, I probably won't be able to get back to them really, really quickly, right? So you might have to give me about 24 to 48 hours to get back to your messages. And I hope you guys do understand, this situation that I'm going to be in. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm vlogging this trip in Costa Rica. I'm really, really excited. Haven't been on a vacation in about 1 year. I'm not a big vacation guy. I like staying at my regiment. I like working. I like doing what I do. And, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun experiencing the world, traveling. I think it's a very important thing in life to get out, travel, to see the world, guys, because we're only here one time, right? Only here one time. So I think it's very important to just take a little bit out every single year, take a little bit of time out every single year to travel the world. So if you guys have any, suggestions for the vlog, any suggestions for anything, feel free to drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys been to Costa Rica? If you have, let me know down below in the comments section. Where have you guys been? What have you guys, experienced? And for those of you guys that are interested in where I'm going, me and my girlfriend are going, my girlfriend and I, we're going to La Fortuna, which is kind of in the middle of Costa Rica. We're staying there for about 4 days. Then we're going to Tamarindo, which is about northwest Costa Rica, and that's going to be by the shore. So we're going to be by the beaches there. And La Fortuna is more going to be in the middle of the country. We're going to be doing a bunch of adventurous stuff there, zip lining, stuff like that there. And we're going to be relaxing on the beach more in Tamarindo. So again, just want to update you guys. Hopefully you guys understand this situation. I'll catch you guys in the video later today talking about the top stocks that I'm currently watching and looking to trade for this upcoming week. I'll see you guys in that video. Have a great weekend. Go Eagles! Peace.